everyone, welcome back to HeiQ channel. Guess where we are right now? We are in the airport. We're not going to take the China airline because I'm going to take Turkish airline today because I'm going to take to Istanbul and then Montreal. If I take the China airline, I really wish they have direct flight from Taipei to Montreal, but they don't have. Only now I need to take the 30 hours to go back home. So I need to change my mask to refresh because I don't have a long distance flight. So if I take this one, I will have a lot of people where I cannot breathe. So this one is very cool with the Taiwan national flag, and I'm going to change one. So you're going to unboxing with me. Voila, this is my bag. This one is very cool. I just got this gift from the very special product. It's called Deya. Deya is the Taiwanese bag in Taiwanese. So you're going to unboxing the facial mask with me. It's a very cool packaging. Look, it even comes with the anti-bacterial bag. This is my cool. I'm going to wear this one for today. Voila, this is my new special mask. Do you like it? Hello. I'll see you soon in the next airport. Hello everyone, welcome back to HeiQ channel. Guess where we are right now? We are in the Istanbul airport.